Whoa! That was good. You just broke your
Originally, this building was the old Jewish Orthodox nursing home, built at the turn of the 20th century. Then later on, around the 1960s, it became the Emmanuel Water Tower Christian Ministries. Anybody home? I don't have much information about what happened to the old Jewish Orthodox nursing home, but I do have information about the Emmanuel Water Tower Christian Ministries. They were closed due to not paying thousands of dollars in overdue rent. And also, the church wasn't even aware of their financial difficulties, causing about 40 families to go right back on the street with nowhere to go. Not too much longer, this building will be demolished, and I'm glad we got to do one final exploration. About a year ago, we experienced what you might call paranormal activity. I guess you could say human activity. We heard cell phones going off, door sounds, footsteps. At that point, we were pretty much ready to fight with our mace and our knife. And speaking of that, you should go check out Tony's video. I'm going to leave a link in the description. And please go check out that video when you get the time, because you'll definitely enjoy it. And you'll get to see other parts of this building that we didn't get to explore. Why not?
I don't know. But you know what?
It's a part of the building. It is a part of the building.
I'll tell you what though.
There you got the daycare and learning center.
There's people still living in this, but I really don't believe there is anymore. I think that this was on the news about how they wanted to tear it down. How it's bad.
In this room, this is where we saw the shadow figure in Tony's video. We were on the 3rd floor looking down. You'll see that window here in a second. And it shifted from the right to the left. We were in that 3rd floor window. And if you're a horror buff, you'll know what I'm talking about, but it kind of makes me think of the rake. Not sure many people believe in that folklore, but I find it to be pretty interesting.
I think the basement is what has the cool.
We try our best not to cuss in these videos. Sometimes it's just hard to refrain from doing that. But if I miss anything, please let me know, because I'm trying to keep this as PG as possible. The old linen closet.
He wants to go down the linen chute.
And hopefully not my camera. From our exploration about a year ago, I took a lot of photos, and I will be putting up a slideshow of this building soon. There's a jawbone from a dog. I don't want to give you guys too many spoilers, but I'm going to say this series is going to be in 2 more parts. The next part is going to show the synagogue and the basement. And the third part is going to show the rest of the basement and an encounter we had with some urban explorers. And I'm saying the same thing myself watching this video back. Why did I not open those doors? It does bother me after the fact that I just didn't give it a push, but a lot of these doors we tried to open were either jammed, just blocked by something, so just kind of going through the ones that were open, it was just a lot easier. And heck, you never know if there could have been someone behind those doors.
Just keep going, because I remember what's here, but I know where we haven't been.
You can kind of make out the arch from here.
You guys see the arch over there? Such a nice view. If we had the time, I would have stayed out here all night and just watched the sunset.
Remember that cool music I put on?
Tony walking in front of my video again. Shame on him.
Yeah.
A shame. But nah, I'm just kidding. I don't mind it. Things happen. We're all in the moment. I think it gives some more depth to the video, so I'm not mad at it. I think most of this video I was shining a light in all of his footage, so I guess we're even.
It's not really worth it.
I was saying it wasn't worth it because I'm starting to get paranoid being on rooftops, especially on abandoned buildings. A friend of mine at work told me one of his family members fell through a roof and broke his neck. I'm going to try to end this on a much more happier note. Part 2 will be coming soon. It's going to show the synagogue and part of the basement, as I said previously. I appreciate everybody that tuned in to the very end. Please like, definitely share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.